My name is Nishtha Chaudhary. I study in class 5th. Reading from the book Voice of Vivekananda, page number 21. India has not yet assimilated the work of Buddha. She is hypnotized by his voice, not made alive by it. Jai Swamiji.
Reading from Swamiji's My India, The India Eternal by Aritra Samanta of class 11th, page number 79. Religions of the world have become lifeless mockeries. What the world wants is character. The world is in need of those whose life is one burning love, selfless. That love will make every word tell like thunderbolt. Bold words and bolder deeds are what we want. Awake, awake, great ones. The world is burning with misery. Can you sleep? With 500 men, the conquest of India might take 50 years. With as many women, not more than a few weeks. Jai Swamiji.
Reading from Swamiji's My India, The India Eternal by Somika Das, Class 9, page number 82. If a religion cannot help man wherever he may be, wherever he stands, it is not of much use. It will remain only a theory for the chosen few. Religion, to help mankind, must be ready and able to help him in whatever condition he is, in servitude or in freedom, in the depths of degradation or on the heights of purity. Everywhere, equally, it should be able to come to his aid. Jai Swamiji.
I am Ronnie Manna of class 12 and I am reading from the book Rebuild India, page number 6. This is in the nature of society to form itself into groups, and what will go will be these privileges. Caste is a natural order. I can perform one duty in social life and you another. You can govern a country and I can mend a pair of shoes, but that is no reason why you are greater than I. For can you mend my shoes? You are clever in reading Vedas, but that is no reason why you should trample on my head. Why, if one commits murder, should he be praised, and if another steals an apple, why should he be hanged? This will have to go. Jai Swamiji.
I am Astha Chaudhary. I am from class 6. Reading from the book Voice of Vivekananda, page number 5. So long as the skin sky surround man, that is, so long as he identifies himself with his body, he cannot see God. Jai Swamiji.
Reading from the book The Gospel of Strength, page number 9, Shubhrajit Maji, class 7. Strength, strength. It is that we want so much in this life. For what we call sin and sorrow have all one cause, and that is our weakness. With weakness comes ignorance, and with ignorance comes misery. Jai Swamiji.
I am Sana Sau, reading from the book My India, The India Eternal, class 5th, page number 152. Do not figure out big plans at first, but begin slowly, feel your ground, and proceed up and up. Jai Swamiji.
Reading from Page of Wisdom by Rohan Naskar, page number 95. The history of the world is the history of a persons like Buddha and Jesus. Jai Swamiji.
I am Ruksa Khandra of class 7 and I am reading from the book Swami Vivekananda Life and Teachings, page number 79. Manifest the divinity within you, and everything will be harmoniously arranged around it. Jai Swamiji.
Reading from Swamiji's My India, The India Eternal by Surit Samanta of class 11th, page number 82. Anything that brings spiritual, mental, or physical weakness, touch it not with the toes of your feet. Religion is the manifestation of the natural strength that is in man. A spring of infinite power is coiled up and is inside the little body, and that spring is spreading itself, and as it goes on spreading, body after body is found insufficient. It throws them off and takes higher bodies. This is the history of man, of religion, civilization, or progress. Jai Swamiji.
I am Shriti Maiti and I am reading from the book Rebuild India by Swami Vivekanand, page number 20. A great fuss has been made for half a century about social reform. Traveling through various places of India these last 10 years, I observed the country full of social reform associations. But I did not find one association for them by sucking whose blood the people known as gentlemen have become and continue to be gentlemen. Jai Swamiji.